Meet CodeQA, an on-premise AI assistant that makes your code instantly searchable, secure, and actionable. Instead of spending hours searching through documentation, commits, or Slack threads, engineers simply ask CodeQA and receive precise, context-rich answers in seconds. Hello, I'm Jakub from SynergyCodes. CodeQA transforms the way organizations manage knowledge within their software projects, helping teams deliver faster with greater confidence. With CodeQA, every question is answered with evidence. Teams gain instant clarity, reducing onboarding time, avoiding duplicate work, and preserving critical know-how. It can be used both with a dedicated UI or within favorite code editor. Knowledge graph or your organization know-how. Flexible filters and intuitive controls allow engineers to quickly refine results. A clean, distraction-free interface supports productivity at scale. First, you have full control over which model you use and where it runs, including full on-premise setups. And CodeQA evolves with your organization. The more you use it, the more accurate and valuable it becomes. Your feedback makes CodeQA even more accurate. Rate and refine responses, so your AI assistant keeps improving, delivering better results every time. CodeQA helps you find answers in your codebase in seconds, while keeping your data fully secure. With our on-prem deployment model, your AI assistant runs inside your organizations with no external dependencies and no data leaving your walls. We install CodeQA directly on your servers, powered by your own GPU. 100% secure, zero leaks, maximum productivity. Prefer Azure or another provider? That's also possible. We can deploy CodeQA in your fully isolated cloud environment. You decide the balance between performance and infrastructure. CodeQA, accelerating software delivery, protecting knowledge, and empowering enterprise teams. Schedule your demo today.